while back we made a video on the best USB-C adapters that you need to pick up if you're going to get an all USB-C computer like Apple's MacBook lineup. Those adapters included USB-A to USB-C, obviously the most important one, but we also have other things like a USB 3.1 Type-C cable and a hard drive to USB-C cable. Now we're back with one more adapter that I want to show you, and this is actually going the other way around. This is a USB-C adapter you didn't know you needed. So what I have right here is this tiny little adapter, and you can mistake this for a USB-A to USB-C adapter. You know, the one where you take a normal USB and you plug into your USB-C computer. That is this, except we are going the other way. Here's how this thing works. So let's say you have this external hard drive and we have this cable right here, which we featured in our last video. We take this and we plug it into here. Now I have a USB-C hard drive. Let's plug into our MacBook Pro and we can use it there. Now what happens if I want to only take this one cable and plug it into something that does not have a USB-C port? Well, we're out of luck until we get these adapters. So these are going to take your newer technology and use it with your older ones. So basically we have our USB-C cable, we take this adapter and we plug it in just like that. Now we are converting our USB-C to a normal USB-A, and we can plug this into any device. That is actually pretty useful. Now this isn't the best case scenario that I want to show you. A thing that I found really useful actually for this adapter is the iPhone 11. Now on the iPhone 11 Pro, you get a USB-C to Lightning cable. All other iPhones come with a USB-A to Lightning cable, but the iPhone 11 Pro comes with a USB-C cable. Now, unless you're planning on using the included power brick, you have no ability to plug in your power cable into a normal outlet. For example, we have a USB port on the side of this table. I can't plug USB-C into that unless we have this adapter. So this comes in very handy. It allows you to plug in your USB-C iPhone cable into any normal USB port, whether that is a computer, a charger built into your desk, a wall outlet, anything. It now gives you the ability to do that. Now the ones I have here are a USB-C to a USB 3.0 Type A. There are other ones on the market, but you want to make sure that it's going to be USB 3 if you're wanting to do data transfer. If you are planning on just doing power, any plain old USB-C to A adapter is going to work, but you want 3.0 if you're going to be doing data. So I'll put a link to these ones in the description below if you want to get these exact ones. They work fine. There's really not many issues with them. So this is actually a really great way to get rid of your USB-A cables. So I just recently found these adapters. I thought they were really cool and extremely handy to have around. So I want to make this quick video to share with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with AtTech, and I will see you in the next one.